We figured it out. All right, now I got a seat for you right there.
I got it. That's a Oh.
If I jump off your lap, you don't have to. Just give him pets.
Hiding goats over here, huh?
No. Hey.
What's her name?
Ow.
I should feel. How can
You gonna send the group in? Okay. Gotta wait.
I'll give up my phone.
Oh. Are you done?
Yeah. That was great. Thank you so much.
No problem. Yes. Stepping your way out.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
know if you can take such a good thing?
You want to send them in waves? I got 2 chairs available.
Well, never mind.
There's some seats over there. Oh.
Gotta go.
Whoa.
Okay.
Okay. You sure?
My dog is going to be like, eat it.
Here, come sit right here. Clean it off. Clean it off. Right there.
Change it. How do we start?
Ready? Wrap your arm around a little bit so it doesn't fall out of your lap.
Take such a good thing.
He doesn't want to go near
Know if you can love someone strong.
Got it right.
That was easy. Just put it down. Okay. Hold on to that. I think we'll ready just need to jump around here.
You like me? Oh, is there water? Okay.
Oh. What happened? Didn't last long. He's running from me. 90% of the time when I'm chasing him, I'm giving shots or I'm the meat. I'm the meat. You don't? Oh. Totally relaxed.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, that little guy's okay.
Oh, yes, that was quite the way to get out.
Sorry.
There you go. Sanitizer?
Thanks.
No, keep losing one. Got a seat, but we should just wait a second.
Okay.
Sorry. The best way to do it.
Is lady here?
Huh?
Is lady here?
No.
You know how to get
Sarah
down.
wants to know.
No, ladies, watch your step, watch your step.
Hey, ready?
Make room. They don't even have to stay seated. They can walk around. Yeah.
Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Does she know how to get down? Or is she gonna fall?
She knows how to get
Do you
down.
feed the goat? This is Herman.
What's got going on over here?
Doing what you do.
I'm sorry. I left my bag right there.
No problem.
Thank you.
It's really small. Now, Sandra, do you feed
We just got
Got it. Got it. Got it.